The morals of these stories were never jammed down the kid's throat. They weren't blatant. They weren't in capital letters. They were gently massaged into the framework of the show.
Relate to what happens with all the characters, and they love trains. I think everybody all over the world, whatever their age, responds to the sound of a train whistle.
Is a remembrance of things past, the clattering, clanking steam trains that talked and wheezed as they chugged by.
Nowadays, when you get trains, they're just electric trains that go zooming past with nothing particularly interesting.
And when it comes to a fantasy like this, the feel of the engine, the rocking along the tracks, Thomas and those who made him understand that it doesn't really matter who's the grown-up and who's the child. Peterson for CBS This Morning.
To be part of this world is wonderful, exhilarating, and it's something which has been in our culture for so many years now, 65 years, I believe. So there's a great sense of pride.
The little engines for me, I mean, little Percy and Thomas and all that, have a life of their own, and the bigger engines have another life.
When you're writing a children's book, you're writing for a whole lot of people. You're writing for yourself to make sure that you've got it researched right. You're writing for the unfortunate parents who've got to read it aloud